How many people have this question that what is a product owner and who is a product manager and who is a project manager? Tell me yes or no if you have this question as well. PO, PM, and PM, project management. Yes, yes. Everyone has this question. Cool. So let me help you understand. Cool. So we will take some time in order to answer this question, guys. Okay. Cool. So let me tell you, as a product manager, okay, so in a company, this is how the company operates. Okay. The leadership team is going to give you the strategy or some ideas to develop. Okay. Your colleagues or your stakeholders, such as your designers and developers and everyone, are also going to give you some ideas. Your partners are also going to give you some ideas, right? Also, you as a product manager will also have ideas. You will talk to the users, you will do the market research, analytics, you will talk to the users, you will understand the market, you will also understand the analytics, and then you will also have some ideas or you will do some discovery. Okay. Based on this, you will have a list of idea, a bucket of ideas. Okay. Ideas or problems or solutions or anything that you want to call it. Now from this, you are going to filter the ideas. Good ideas are going to go down. Bad ideas are going to go in the dustbin. Okay. Good ideas are going to go ahead and come to this place. Okay. Now from all the ideas that you have, you are going to prioritize the ideas. How to prioritize? Impact and efforts. As I have already told you, there are multiple other frameworks as well, but this is also helpful. Okay. Now, after doing all of this analysis, by understanding the ideas, validating everything and doing all the research, you will have something that is known as the ideas that you want to implement. This is also known as product backlog. Okay. So now with this product backlog, understand the product backlogs can have 100, 200 or 1,000 ideas. But as a team, you cannot implement all the ideas. So what you will do is you will take few ideas and then try to execute them every week or every month. Okay. So you will take few ideas, let's say few ideas from this, you are going to prioritize them. Okay. Go ahead and prioritize them. And then what you will do is you are going to run something known as a sprint. So what is a sprint? You know that you cannot implement all the ideas at once. And you cannot wait that you will create all the ideas and then you will launch the product. What you will do is you will pick what you can do in about 2 to 4 weeks. This is different for different companies. Some companies have 2 weeks sprint. Some companies have 4-week sprint. Now in this phase, you are going to pick up some ideas which will be known as your sprint backlog for this week. Backlog is nothing but a to-do list. Okay. Now you have the sprint backlog. Now your developers plus your designers are going to work on this and testing people are going to test this. Okay. Now you have created the product. You have tested the product. Now this product will go to the sales plus marketing team. Okay. They will create a go-to-market strategy. They will create everything and then they will measure the analytics and all. And then they will ship it to whom? The users. And then the users will use the product. They will also give you the feedback. And then the cycle again is going to repeat. This is also one product management cycle. Okay. Now in this cycle, this part where you talk to the users and you create a product backlog, this particular part is known as product discovery. Okay. This particular part where you are working with your team in order to go ahead and develop things. Okay. This part is known as delivery or development or design. And then the third part, this part where you work with the sales and marketing team and take it to the market, is also known as distribution. So now to answer the question, a product manager is someone who is responsible for the complete cycle, but their major focus is on product discovery. They are strategic people who understand the market and the user needs and the leadership needs and the business needs, and create a product roadmap or a product backlog that can help the company create those products. So they decide the direction and the strategy. Okay. Now there is someone known as a product owner who will work with the team, who will decide what should be picked from the product backlog in this particular sprint, how we can develop this, and how we can give it to the marketing and sales team. This is a responsibility for the product owner. And this part is done by someone known as the product marketing manager or a product growth manager. Okay. And there is also someone known as a project manager. They are only supposed to get the work done. Their main work is to make sure that what is being done and when it is being done. That's it. They are the maintainers of time. Okay. So product backlog is a list of ideas. A sprint is the time that you take in order to go ahead and ship things. It is 2 weeks or 4 weeks majorly. Okay. But it's a unit of time. Okay. And then there are these things. So product manager in most of the companies is the person who is looking at the strategic angle, what we should develop, why we should do this. While the product owner makes sure that once the product backlog is given to them, they are able to prioritize it further and then execute it, get it done. Okay. Project manager makes sure that things are getting done on time. And product marketing manager promotes them. Everyone tell me yes or no in the chat if now you are able to understand what is the difference. And guys, understand, this is an ideal definition. I have seen teams where product manager is doing everything. In most of the scenarios, product manager is going to do everything. Cool. And in the program at HelloPM, we cover everything. We talk about the whole life cycle.